2.8 million people living with asthma in Australia, accounting for 2.5% of the total disease burden. Management of asthma requires strict medication schedules to control symptoms, which can be managed with the use of a smart inhaler. Smart inhalers are a new wave of personalised medicine, with functions extending beyond just traditional. Smart inhalers provide greater control over a patient's condition, deeper insights into medication use, and allows patients to control their symptoms, identify triggers, maintain treatment schedules, and share valuable logistics with their medical team. Inhalers reduce the stress associated with remembering dosage schedules and enhance inhalation technique. They can be programmed to deliver reminders for upcoming doses, alert patients if they're separated from their devices, or help to locate a lost inhaler. This is particularly beneficial for children or older adults who may require assistance adhering to treatment plans. The technology is also great for vulnerable or rural populations who may have trouble accessing their GPs for regular health checkups or may be reluctant to regularly seek medical advice. Although these smart inhalers are relatively accessible, the adoption has remained limited. Bridging the gap between innovation and accessibility is important to allow for wider access to these technologies.
Digital inhalers integrate therapeutics with health data technology, raising ethical concerns around autonomy, privacy, trust, and equity. While they enable precise monitoring, early detection of misuse, and improved personalized care, these benefits come with costs. Patients may consent without understanding data use, risking loss of autonomy and informed consent. Furthermore, the possibility of third-party surveillance pose risks to confidentiality and could shift the clinical relationship towards policing rather than support. Moreover, a doctor's over-reliance on device data can erode trust and accountability with patients. Finally, issues of equity arise as not all patients can afford or access digital inhalers or associated connectivity, risking a digital divide in asthma or COPD care. Long-term economic models suggest that although digital inhaler technology requires an upfront investment, they may become cost-saving over time by improving adherence, reducing exacerbations, and lowering the need for expensive add-on therapies. For instance, an INCA trial projected patient saving costs of $5,200 per year and extending to roughly $43,000 for 10 years. However, these projections rest on several assumptions of improved adherence, generalizability, pace of technological change, and real-world implementation expenses. Thus, while current evidence is promising for digital inhalers, real-world long-term cost data remains scarce.
Safety is a critical aspect of asthma management, and smart inhalers aim to significantly enhance patient safety compared to traditional devices. Smart inhalers are designed and tested according to strict medical device regulations, such as ISO 13485 and FDA standards, to guarantee mechanical integrity, biocompatibility, and electronic safety. The materials used are also non-reactive and medical grade to prevent contamination or degradation of the medication. Electronic components such as sensors and Bluetooth modules undergo rigorous testing for electromagnetic compatibility to ensure they do not interfere with the inhaler's core function. Battery systems are also sealed and protected against overheating or leakage, while waterproof and dust-resistant casings improve durability in everyday use. Smart inhalers also feature fail-safes that prevent dose actuation if a fault is detected, ensuring consistent and accurate delivery. Through these safety mechanisms, smart inhalers maintain the same high physical and mechanical safety standards as traditional inhalers, while integrating advanced digital technology for improved asthma management.
Smart inhalers have demonstrated a significant improvement in clinical outcomes for asthma management compared to traditional devices. By integrating dose tracking, adherence reminders, and real-time data sharing with healthcare providers, smart inhalers promote consistent medication use, a key determinant of asthma control. Clinical trials have shown that digital inhaler users experience a 60 to 70% reduction in severe exacerbations and improved symptom-free days due to enhanced adherence and early detection of poor inhalation technique. The ability to link usage data with environmental factors such as pollen or pollution enables more precise identification of triggers, allowing clinicians to personalize treatment plans and adjust medication proactively. From a rational use perspective, smart inhalers ensure medication is used appropriately at the correct dose and frequency, minimizing waste and the risk of over-reliance on rescue inhalers. This aligns with global asthma management guidelines that emphasize responsible use of corticosteroids and beta agonists to prevent tolerance and side effects. As data analytics evolve, smart inhalers are anticipated to integrate with artificial intelligence platforms to predict exacerbations and tailor interventions, transforming asthma care into a more preventative, patient-centered model.
Recent innovations in smart inhaler technology have revolutionized asthma management from a reactive to a predictive approach. Modern smart inhalers integrate microsensors and Bluetooth connectivity that records inhalation metrics such as flow rate, coordination, and actuation timing. The data is then transmitted to cloud-based platforms, facilitating continuous monitoring and feedback for patients and clinicians. The newest generation of inhalers incorporates AI-driven analytics that learn the individual usage patterns and environmental triggers, enabling it to forecast exacerbations before they occur. Integration with wearable devices and smartphone health apps allows real-time correlation with air quality, pollen counts, and activity levels. Certain prototypes even use environmental sensors and digital spirometry, providing a comprehensive view of respiratory health. Moreover, technological advances in miniaturized electronics, low-energy Bluetooth, and edge computing have reduced power consumption and cost while enhancing data precision. Current research is now concentrated on closed-loop systems, where inhalers autonomously modify or recommend medication dosages according to symptom trends and biomarker data. Future developments may merge digital twins and precision medicine platforms, creating personalized, data-driven asthma management that shifts control from the clinic back to the patient.